Oh. Oh my God.
I was sleeping and got woken up by a massive explosion. I could just feel my whole building shake. I thought it was an earthquake. So I just kind of woke up in a panic, looked out the window, and the sky was red. I could hear my neighbors all leaving their apartment, so I quickly tried to get some clothes, and then I remembered I couldn't talk to anyone. So I just watched a second explosion go off, just pure chaos. Everyone leaving their apartment buildings thinking it's an earthquake, I guess. It was crazy, the amount of light that this explosion and fire lit up.